Ah, Saturn. Who hasn't been mesmerized by its majestic golden rings drifting through space? From our earliest days in science class, we learned that it's the ringed planet, a true cosmic masterpiece that sets it apart from all the other neighbors in the solar system. But what if I told you that Earth, yes, our very own home, might have once sported a stunning crown of rings? This fascinating idea isn't just a figment of imagination. There's evidence suggesting this incredible possibility. Let's embark on a journey through time and uncover how Earth could have rivaled Saturn in celestial beauty. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing Earth encircled by shimmering rings, just like Saturn. Sounds like science fiction, right? But recent studies suggest that, at some point in its history, our planet might have had a similar ring system. This intriguing discovery invites us to explore Earth's cosmic past with fresh eyes. The study of asteroid impact craters reveals secrets about cosmic collisions. With about 190 known craters, scientists have found that Earth experienced periods of intense bombardment. Research led by Andrew G. Tompkins suggests that during the Ordovician period, around 466 million years ago, Earth went through a series of intense collisions, forming 21 craters in a relatively short time frame. The big question is, why so many collisions in such a short period? The answer might lie in the breakup of a massive asteroid near Earth. This event, known as a tidal disruption, could have created a series of fragments orbiting the planet, forming a ring similar to Saturn's. This ring wouldn't just be a visual spectacle. It could have impacted Earth's climate. A debris ring around Earth would reflect sunlight, altering heat distribution and potentially leading to colder winters and hotter summers. This phenomenon might have contributed to significant climate changes during that era, as suggested by paleoclimate studies. But how do we know all this? By analyzing isotopes in minerals from impacted rocks, scientists can accurately date collision events. Additionally, asteroid fragments left in the craters provide clues about the composition of the projectiles that hit our planet, revealing the connection between these impacts and the possible existence of an earthly ring. This fascinating theory is still developing, but encourages us to rethink Earth's history in a whole new way. If confirmed, the existence of a past ring around Earth would be a surprising addition to our understanding of the solar system and cosmic impacts. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, think about what might have once circled our planet. Perhaps Earth was once as spectacular a sight as Saturn, with its own dancing rings. Science continues to unravel these mysteries, and who knows what other surprises the universe holds for us.